Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay using a gift card on the Shein application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account, go ahead and use your email address and your password and you will be logged in right away. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the shop page from which you can browse through various different items. Now you can use your gift cards by clicking on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then clicking on gift card. You will then be asked to enter your gift card number as well as the PIN. Go ahead and type in your card number within the card number section and then enter your PIN underneath. You can then click on the check balance option and your gift card will be added to your account right away. You can also use your gift card while buying any item. Once you click on the checkout button from your card, underneath the payment method, you will see the gift card option. Go ahead and click on it and you can simply enter your card number followed by your PIN and click on the apply button and the gift card will immediately be applied onto this item and you can continue your purchase using this gift card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to pay using your gift card on the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.